Maria, this is Aubin, and this is Nalu, and we're here today to talk to you guys a little bit about pet preparedness, specifically cats. If you're more of a dog fan or even a horse, that's cool. We've got that coming in the next couple weeks. But today I wanted to talk to you specifically about items that you can help these guys out with. So we've got our Ready Ho-Co emergency kit right here. I like to keep it with my husband's stuff, just because obviously if we're going, they're going somewhere. So what we've got here is enough food for the cats for 3 days, just like us, as well as the water, we keep that. We've got some dry food and some treats as well. Some collapsible bowls. These are really nice, so you have one for the food and obviously for the water as well. And then if you have cats, they may not be a big fan of the leashes and the harnesses, but if they are, that's great. But we just have those in case of any kind of emergency. We make sure that they can't run away. We've also got here some of their favorite toys, which they're ignoring right now because they're looking at the food. And then we've also got a pet first aid kit. So there's a lot of stuff in here that's very similar to what would be in a human first aid kit, but just some more stuff that's safe for these guys. Our vital records here, so important things to think about. We have that in a waterproof case. Important things to think about there are any vaccination records. If you do go to a shelter, shelters require, if they allow pets, vaccination records. So good to have those. Both of our cats are microchipped. So any records of those, adoption records, and a picture of you and your pet with them in case for some reason you get separated. As well as that, we have a comfy blanket, some brushes, and then the best part, disposable litter boxes. So we've got those. Again, if you're in a pinch, we've got litter in a bag, plastic bags, and then towels in case there's any mess. As well as in a regular emergency kit, we've got kind of disposable wipes, things like that. The only thing that's not here is obviously cat carriers, which you would need to tote these guys around. Or if you've got more persuadable cats, you could have a cat backpack, anything like that. We keep those in the same place, so the emergency kit goes on the top shelf. But again, it's light enough that I can pick it up, my husband can pick it up and just kind of lift it off the shelf. High place. We live in an apartment building on the 4th floor. If you live at lower levels, make sure that it's elevated so that it's not in a flood-prone area. So we have everything with their cat carriers, so it's easier to grab and go. And then, thank you, Nalu. And we practice this anytime we have fire drills, so we practice kind of going through the building, bringing all of our emergency kits and making sure the cats are comfortable with it. Again, some pets are more comfortable than others are, so it's just important to practice with them as well to kind of get their comfort levels up. So thank you for staying tuned to our pet preparedness tips, and again, next week we'll be having dog preparedness, and then upcoming after that, horse preparedness.